Alright guys, we just got our Starlink box and we're here to open it and we're taking you along with us. Nice little plastic with it. Got the base. An internet Wi-Fi box. It's got a pretty long cable with it. There's got a groove in here for the wire to go down in, or for it not to come in. It slides in there and locks. Set this part way out here. And we'll have to plug this into the wall, get this up and going with the base station. Okay, so we got the power hooked up. We'll hook up the box. Let's see here. We'll log into the Starlink app for the first time. Okay, we've measured the cable length from the satellite piece to the router. It's 75 feet in total, so you can get 75 feet away from your home box. Alright, well we just got it all set up. We got a little first initial run speed test. It's running at 79 megabytes a second download and 5.0 upload speeds with a 43 ms latency. So it's doing pretty good, better than any internet we've ever had here on this county island. And we'll get it somewhere set up permanently for here, and we'll use it camping. So we hope you join us and keep following us. Click the like and subscribe button so you can get notified when we make videos. This is Ty with Speedy HQ1 signing off.